Welcome to this channel. Please enable to subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please, if this is your first time, if this is your first time in this channel, please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Also comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you, right, after watching it. So we'll be looking at how to design a simple weekend flyer, how to design a simple captivating celebration flyer rather. So what you do after you open your Pixellab, change the size of this to square shape by selecting this. You can select it from here because this is square already. So once you select it this way, then let's import the material we're making use of for this design. You can check the description for these materials. All right, so I'll go to my gallery. I'll just go to the folder the material is. Good. So what you do, you increase the size of this, increase the size this way, and then you tap here, you go down to color, go down to color, sorry, it's color. Tap here, this is the place you're going to go to, the place of the background, this last place. Then go to color, tap on this plus sign, cancel, color, tap on this plus sign, and then you tap on this first one that looks like a pencil icon. You choose this because I'll be making use of this color, the color of this image background as background. So that's why I'm choosing it from here. Once you choose it, you mark good. So this is the color code of this. All right, then another material we'll be taking from our gallery is, we'll be taking a second material, which is this. So once you select it, you can just reduce the size this way, and reduce the size this way, and then mark good. You increase the size and bring it to this place. I have to increase the size again, and then you bring it here. And just adjust this a little. All right, good. So we'll be taking a shape, so you can just select shapes from here, pick this square shape, and then you change the color to black. This is the color we combined, so you change it to the color. Okay, increase the length, then you adjust it in such a way that it will look this way. All right, I can just lock this so it won't be moving about. All right, good. So we are going to be taking a text, go to text, and then you edit. This is I'll type in the text I'll be writing here. That's happy weekend. Weekend. Okay. Move it down and then increase the size. Then you go down to fonts. You go down to fonts. I'll select this font. But if you don't have this particular font, you can just go to the link in the description. Then you type in the name of this, which is Boston Traffic. You search for the font, it will appear on that site. You can download it also. So this is it. Okay. I'll increase the size again. Good. Then I'll go down to align it this way. Have you seen that now? Good. I can just shift it. Just trying to position it well. Good. We are done with this. So I'll merge them together. Tap here. Then tap on this place. Select the text and the shape. Then merge them together. You go down to erase color. And then you enable it. Once you enable it, this tolerance, you move it down to 0. Good. So this is how the design is looking now. It's looking very nice. It's looking okay and very nice. We'll be adding another feature here. So let's go to shapes. Go to shapes. Still picking this square shape. You will increase the radius. You can increase it to 45 or you increase it to 50. Good. Go to crop. Crop it this way. Good. You can reduce the size a little. Then you copy this and rotate it. Rotate it and place it in such a way that these two will be joined together. Good. You tap here and then you merge the both together. That's this first two. You merge them together. Good. Go down to color, enable it, and then change the color. You'll be making use of this. Change the color to this, and then you add a stroke to it. Add this color to it. Good. Reduce the size. Reduce this stroke a little. Good. Then you reduce the size. And place it here. So let's add the text. We'll be adding a text to this. You go to A, go to text. Then you edit. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. You go down to font, AB font. Then I'll select this font. I will be making use of this font. I will just select it and then make it bold. Increase the padding. Go down to padding. Increase the padding this way, because if you don't increase the padding, the text will appear cut. It will be as if the text is cut. So that's why I'm increasing the padding this way. Good. You go down to color and change the color to yellow, to this yellow now. So I'll reduce the size so it will be able to fit in to this. And go down to spacing, to space the alphabet a little. Good. All right, so the last feature I'll be adding here, I'll pick text, go to edit. I'm typing it into 6 places. So just full stop into 6 places. These are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's 8. All right. I'll make it bold. Go down to bold and then change the color. Change the color to this yellow. Then go down to spacing also, line spacing. I'll reduce the spacing. I'll reduce the spacing between them this way. Good. Then you can just shift it to this side. Good. So this design is looking so simple and nice. It's not necessary that it will have lots of text and lots of information. It's just a simple flyer. And the color combinations I made use of here is in the sense that this yellow will match the color of this material, and this blue color I used here will match the color of the scarf and the makeup. Right, so it's not necessary that you'll be adding more colors that are not in the images, so the design will look professional and nice. So thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to save your design, you can just tap here, save it as image. You save it with png and ultra then you can save it as project for reference purposes. Maybe you can just save it with tgif or something else. And once you save it as project, you tap here, you go to this place, you see the project here. All right, the project will be here for reference. So thank you once again for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends, to people that might be making use of it. All right, thank you so much once again, and endeavor to subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, follow up on more of our videos for you to get more knowledge about graphic design using Pixellab, using just your smartphone. Thank you so much once again. God bless you.